This day was the most exciting and different on our Bolivia trip. In the morning we visited the train cemetery, and this place is full of abandoned old trains brought in from the UK in the 20th century for the mining business and then left there to rust away forever. Then we finally headed out to the salt flats. We drove over those immense white salt flakes and we stopped at the Dakar monument. It was truly incredible and probably one of the most impressive places to ride a motorcycle. We also had time to do some funny photos and some videos like this one.